Hey everyone, welcome to RentSyst, the cloud-based car rental software for fleet management. In this episode, we will talk about vehicle profile, how to add a vehicle, how to add a new vehicle, and this is very strongly recommend to fill in the settings option, so please do it first. Okay, so let's talk about process description. So adding a vehicle, actually, this is a very simple process. So all you need to do is just to go to your fleet page here, fleet, and press the button add the vehicle. Let's make it step by step. So now we are inside on the vehicle page. You can see four tabs. It's specifications, damages and maintenance, location and tariffs, and vehicle status. So basically we go dive inside to each of them of these tabs. So starting from the type, so you will need to choose type. In my case, I will have a car, so I also select the car here. The next group is to choose where my car will belong to. So I have following groups, right? And I want to make it like inside my business group. So I press business. The next is choose select your brand and its trademark. So brand and mark. We will add Maserati. So pay attention that the search is working here. You can search by text. So you may start to type the first letters and it's immediately see the result. So let's type it. You can see a maze. It's searching me Maserati. So let's choose it and the mark as well. So this is my mark, Maserati Gran Turismo, and pay attention. In case you can find it your model, you can send a request to add the new model to the system and our support department will make it fast for you. The next, you will need to choose a transmission. So you can choose automatic, manual, semi-automatic, and more. Type of engine, you can skip it, but also if needed, you can edit any information there. Type of fuel, yeah, gasoline, diesel, petrol, and so on. So I have gasoline, so I save it the gasoline there. And here I want to pay your attention to body type. So body type is one of the important options because you will need to choose carefully because the system will generate a vehicle damage map with exactly the same body type as well. So depending on which type of the vehicle you will choose, there will be the same body type showing for the search as well. So bikes will be the bikes body type, RV will be exactly for RVs, and for the vehicle, for the cars, will be typical body types for the cars. So you can choosing from the list. In my case, I will choose supercar. I have rear drive. This is the number. It's about plates, license plates number. You can select also the color. So my vehicle is black color has. So I select the color black. The year it was 2023. You will need to also identify your odometer. Let's say it has 10,000 and fuel level. So 100%, volume tank, consumption. The next is about number of seats. So luggage, you may select how many large bags and small bags, large bags, small bags, you think fit inside your vehicle. Wind code is clear. And also important field is about tracker IMEI, this one. So yeah, I want to also pay your attention here because you need to fill in the data if you're connected to the tracking system and use only our GPS sensors. So amortization, this is the custom field which you can also add. You can delete it or add new field if you don't have any necessary field that you see inside the system. So you can also, if you don't have any required field there, you can add any custom line here. Yeah. So now you can select additional features with accessories for your vehicle, like climate control or check all, like this one, right? And etc. And now it's time about photo. So you can have your own photo pictures and upload to the vehicle profile inside. So click on it. And there is a life hack. If you have several photos, just select all of them to edit together, like this one, and click next step. So moving on, the next step is damages and maintenance. This is also important tab because here you may indicate vehicle damages for exterior and also interior as well. So depending from your body type, it will be displayed exactly vehicle damage map inside. So we selected the supercar body type, so we also see selected body type of this vehicle. If you have any scratches or minor damages, you can easily select any part of the vehicle on this interactive map, for instance, door, and like make some sample. Okay, so let's type it as a scratches, make it some short description sample. Choose damage level. You can indicate basically the level of damage, low or very high. It will be indicated in color combination. So the higher combination, the higher damage, the higher color will be indicated on the display here. So let's check it, for instance, very high. You can also choose the customer who do this damage for you, and you can also upload damage pictures. For instance, this one will be like a scratches for your vehicle for the door, and add the damages. So after this operations is done, you can see that you have highlighted doors and damage indicated as one unit. We have the full guide about damage management. So on the YouTube channel, please check it if you want to know more about this option. Moving next step is maintenance or repair. This is the section which is automatically activated in case you already selected maintenance module inside your settings as well. And this section is responsible for maintenance reminders. So you can see tire fitting every half an hour, half of the year, diagnostic every 5,000 kilometer or miles, and so on. If you don't want that system to remind you, you can just simply disable this option like this one and back to it anytime. Next step, location and tariffs. So one of the most important pages on the vehicle profile as well. From the name of this tab, I think it's very clear that here we need to set up location and tariffication model for your vehicle. So let me show you how easily you can build that process. Base location, choose location from the list. You can see I have three offices, right? You can have only one, you can have 10 offices, any amount. We don't have any limits by the offices. So this is the location where a customer can get the vehicle for the reservation for pickup or return this vehicle. So select carefully. For instance, you can select only one. If you select, for instance, only one location like I am, so customer will not be able to make a booking of on this location and this as well. So after change, the feature can automatically change starting location, and pay attention that this option can be working only with the one location, with the only one base location. So how it works, let me shortly describe you. When you selected after change, you will need to choose exactly location. As you can see, system not allow you to choose few locations. You can select just only one. How it works? So when you select auto change, let's say your starting point will be Larnaca HQ, and return area will be Metropolis, right? So it means if you activate auto change, the next order will start from the returning point from the Metropolis. So this is this is why it's called auto change. So the system automatically change your starting pickup location for new reservation. So it's like every new reservation will starting from the return point from the previous order. I hope it's clear. So moving next, this is about delivery, pickup, and return. Again, you can disable it, you can activate it. Activate this feature if you want your vehicle to participate in search in case pickup and return locations are different. So again, in case customer make a booking from Larnaca to Metropolis, for instance, pick up and return area, this feature is activated, it will works. If it's disabled, so it means that customer can get the car inside this location and must return the vehicle exactly on this location as well. But we will activate it. Okay. Moving next for pricing, very powerful option, which is you can also customize your prices according to seasons and periods. So depending from your rates, you can add the prices for the vehicle and below see discounts rating. You can build seasons and periods discount on the main settings menu. And here you can see the final pricing model according to your scenario. So for instance, I have, like you can see, hour model, daily model, weekly, and months, but my main tariff rate is by day. So you can see there is like my seasonal discounts according to periods, but there is a zero because the price is not selected. So I will select it like 400 per day. And you can see system immediately show me calculation for pricing according to my low season for winter and high season for summer. We have a separate video guide about season and how to build the automatical tariff discounts. Check it on YouTube channel and moving next. So, and the next, the final tab, this is the vehicle status. The last tab responsible for statuses that you may choose for vehicle profile. So we have four main statuses. Active, it means that the vehicle is ready for rent and will be displayed on the system. Draft, the vehicle will be saved on the system but not available for rent because it's hidden from the customers. On sale, it means that the vehicle is for the sale and customer can purchase it. And finally, sold means that vehicle was sold and no longer available in your fleet, so it's removing from your account in general. Let's make it active and press add button. Congratulations, you can see the vehicle was added to the system. Now let's take a quick look for the vehicle profile, how it looks like, and basically what can we do next. So click on it. So let's make a fast overview about the vehicle profile. So you can see exactly the same pictures that was added. First of all, you can see the crown icon. It's mainly the main picture, the main avatar of this vehicle will be displayed. You can also upload any new pictures as well. And every vehicle has its own dashboard. It's showing you success of the deals, how much revenue you earned from your reservation, which income you have, how many reservations, and it's very similar to amortization. So you can easily see how much money provides you this vehicle for your business as well. You can also see the options. So you can see from here, you can also change your vehicle status. You can see the bottom add action. So you can add the order from here for this vehicle or add the new service for maintenance for your vehicle. Below you can see checks, damages, and conditions. So checks, it means that system automatically, this is for maintenance, and system automatically will show you if you will need to go for any maintenance or not in the future. Damage map, same we already saw, but again you can fast check and navigate damages in here. And conditions, every time when you provide the vehicle for the renting, you can upload the pictures like photo fixation, how the vehicle looks like before your rental is starting, right? So you can see exactly how it looks like, and after make same photo fixation when the vehicle is returned to make a photo proof for your customer, like damages or not, and many more. Okay, and if in case, let's go inside specification, press edit. Yeah, okay, so you can also activate maintenance if you will make it. Let's activate it. You will find also future maintenances like reminders for this vehicle. So that's how it looks about maintenance. As a recommendation, you can easily track your insurances when it will be expire for your vehicle, or diagnostic, or some annual service, oil change, anything you want. You can build it full automation here, which is really, really convenient and cool. So, and finally, yeah, indicators, settings, you can add back to it anytime. You can check your specification anytime, change it. You can update your location and delivery options here, update tarification, and see maintenance options here. And finally, this is about history. So history will show you exactly uh, full moment of your orders, of your maintenances, expenses for this vehicle, history for damages. So as you remember, we uploaded some pictures with description, so you can see exactly it was today at the moment of recording. And the conditions will show you the pictures, how the photos which you uploaded for the vehicle as well. So that's it. If you want to know more about RentSyst, please send a request for a live demonstration. Our team will be glad to make it for you. And thank you. See ya.